Okay, so for part 2, I'm going to demonstrate adding a chord progression. Let's demonstrate adding a chord progression. I'm going to mute that bass for now because it's a bit extreme. So I'm going to go to instrument, call this melody. Again, I want to probably find an electronic sound, depending on what kind of genre you want to go for. So let me go for synth leads, but pick a different one. That sounds kind of similar. So I'm going to loop it while I practice. And I want to go lower than octave 4. Yeah, something like that. I've got something there, so I'm going to record it because, yeah. Okay, there we go. Double click on it. Where is it? There it is. Double click and quantize. Control A, Q. Okay, there's a couple, doesn't know, that was a bit short. I think it was this one. Yeah, this was a bit short. Make it a bit longer. Okay. Okay, so that's an example of a melody.